Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching from. Giving this testimony from Sierra Leone. My name is Elizabeth Nathan Freeman. On Sunday, the 17th of November 2024, around 7 p.m. our time, I was with my family watching movie, all of us. We were having fun, and all of a sudden, I start feeling sick. Pains all over my body, started feeling torment, and I stopped. I told them I'm feeling sick, I can't continue, so you guys should go along and continue. So all of a sudden, I just take my phone and went to Facebook. I saw this live. It was the first thing that popped up on my page, the live, Prophet Live. And I just decided to watch. And so I started watching. Less than 1 minute, Prophet called out my name. He said, Elizabeth Nathan Freeman, your file has been opened to me. Share the page, share the live. And I was confused because it was my first time. I've never seen him, no following him. So I tried to share the live, and I was so tormented. And Papa said, send the request. And then I sent the request to him. And then he started prophesying to me. And he asked, where is your mommy? I said, my mom is here. And for over 5 minutes, he was prophesying to my mom. And all what he was saying was true. And he said, Mama, he said, I saw you have plenty of properties. And all of a sudden, I burst into tears. I started crying. I said, yes, Prophet, it's true. I said, because of those properties, they gave me stroke. I say, I've been suffering for over 2 years. I still can't get on my feet properly. And Prophet said, stop crying, my daughter, stop crying, it is well. He said, God have settled your case. And he prophesied, and everything he said to us was genuinely true. And when he was prophesying, all of a sudden, I started feeling cold sensation all over my body. The pains, the weakness, all the ways that I was feeling, the torment, everything went away. And I said, I'm healed. All of a sudden, I'm healed. You know, my daughter was happy. Even mommy was happy. And my mommy. And he said, don't worry, everything will be fine. All your properties will come back to you. Don't worry, this is your time. God will settle it. All the ones that have seized advantage from you, they will come back under your feet. So I just want to give God the glory, the praise. And I want to say, when God is ready to locate you, He will locate you no matter where you are. All you need is to have faith. I just want to say thank you to Papa. I appreciate you so much. You know, I am part of your ministry now, no matter where I am, because this is a big breakthrough for me and my family. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to bless your ministry. May God continue to bless your family. May the oil on your head never run dry. We appreciate you so much. Thank you, Papa. We really, really appreciate you.